Oh hiya, I'm Carly, better known as Carly's Home Ideas on Instagram, and today I'm very excited as we have Palladio doors round having a brand new front door fitted. The door I've chosen, I've used with the door selector which they have online, which has been really handy to completely redesign my door. The current door that I have is faulty, and so what with this in mind, I've gone for a completely different look. So I've changed from black to white, but still keeping a very contemporary design with the door. So as much as my current door isn't very old, it has faded, but above all, the lock doesn't work. So it's very, very dangerous, especially what with teenage girls coming in late at night, and the lock is really temperamental. Also with this new door, it is foil finished, so it does not fade at all. So here it is, my lovely new door. Absolutely love it. It's in my favourite colour, white, which I love. It's got the beautiful coordinating chrome handle and chrome strips, which I think really complement the outdoor space. Today it was installed by Rom Valley. They have just done the best job. They were such lovely guys as well. And working with Palladio has just been a breeze from beginning to end, from the selection on the online door selector and right the way through to fitting. So now I'm really looking forward to using the door. It's strong, it's secure, it's been fitted perfectly, and I absolutely love it.